In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 10 gigabytes of data for free in any network you are using. So whether you are using MTN, Airtel, GLO, 9mobile, any network you are using, you can get access to this 10 gigabytes of data for free. And the good thing is that it is not restricted only in Nigeria. So if you are in Ghana, Cameroon, Uganda, South Africa, in any country you are, you can get access to this 10 gigabytes of data for free, and you can access this 10 gigabytes of data every month. If you are seeing my video for the first time, you are welcome to this channel. On this channel, I teach you tips on how you can work from home and make passive income for yourself. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first place to get the notification. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and drop your comment in this video. So let's dive into the training now. The first thing you need to do is, so you go to your Google Play Store and search for this app, Winscribe. So this is the app, Winscribe. So you install this app on your phone. So I've already installed it on my phone. I'm going to click on open. Then to take you to this place, so you click on get started. So then you fill in your details. So you create a username, a password, then you enter email. The email is optional, but if you enter the email, it will enable you to get 10 gigabytes of data for free. So that's why I'm doing this video. So let's fill in the details. Then you enter your password. Then you enter email that you want to use. Then you select this referred by someone. So make sure you enter this place, because if you use this one, it will give you both an additional 1 gigabyte per month when you sign up. So if you use the referral code that you see on the description to sign up, and you click on this and refer by someone, you will get an additional 1 gigabyte plus the 10 gigabytes. So once you are filling all the details, then you click on continue. So it's going to bring you to this interface. So the next thing you are going to do, you click on these 3 dots, then you click on please confirm email. So you can see I have 2 gigabytes left. So we are going to confirm the email so that I can receive that 10 gigabytes of data. So we click on confirm email. So I'm going to go to my email now to check the email, to check the code that they sent to me. So you can see the email that they sent to my email. So I'm going to click on it. Then I will confirm email. You can see confirm email for 10 gigabytes. So I will click on confirm. So you can see now your email has been confirmed. You can close this window now. So I'm going to close this window, then go back to the app. So you can see now I have currently 10 gigabytes left. So this is how to get your 10 gigabytes. So you know that this is a VPN app that can use to change your location. So how do you connect the data so I can start using the data? For you to connect the data, you don't need to have data on your phone. So even though you don't have any, that's just on your network. Then you come to this place. So for you to connect the data and start using this 10 gigabytes of data, you click on this icon. So you click on this icon. So I'm going to click on it to show you now, but before then, you can also get an extra data if you click on these 3 dots. and you say refer for data. So if you refer somebody into this platform, you also get data. So let's click on it. Say invite your friends for you to get data. So you will both get an additional 1 gigabyte per month when they sign up. So once you invite anybody and they sign up, you are going to be getting 10 gigabytes every month, and the person 1 gigabyte every month. Then the person will get 10 gigabytes. So you can sign up with this referral link. It will enable you to get that 10 gigabytes. So I'm going to paste the referral link on the description of this video. So make sure you sign up with that referral link so that I can get this 10 gigabytes. So let me show you how to connect the data now, so that I can start using this data. So you click on this icon here that look like a start button. So you can see now say connect request. Once we screen want to set up a VPN connection that allows it to monitor network traffic. Only accept if you trust the source. So I'm going to click on OK. So it's connected now. So let me off my data, and you can see now it's currently connected now. So if I off my data and go to search for something on YouTube, let me see if it will still work. So why are they giving this data? So that I can be able to browse with their platform. That's why they are giving this data, so that I can still be browsing with their app. So I'm on YouTube now, so you can see it's still working. So this is how to connect the data and start using the data that they give to you. So to show if this data is working, I've been using this data for some minutes now, so you can see the balance that is remaining here. So if I also click here, we see the expiring date and the date will renew. So let me click on it, then click on accounts. So you can see 10 gigabyte per month. Reset date, the date that it will reset, that will give me extra 10 gigabytes. 2025 January 14, that's the date they will give me another one. Then data left 9.98 gigabytes. So you can see that the data is working and you can use it to browse. So this is how to get your 10 gigabytes of data every month from this app. So if you got value from this video, make sure you like and share this video. Also drop a comment in the comment section, and if you have seen my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification.